GreenLife 500-watt immersion electric handheld stick blender with stainless steel blades, whisk, frother, measuring cup and lid, soups, puree, cake, multi-speed control, portable pink. Blender includes 1 corded hand blender, dishwasher-safe blending arm, 27 Fallods beaker with lid, 1 pan guard, 1 frother attachment, 1 whisk attachment, 500-watt motor. The ultra-strong 500-watt motor powers through ingredients in a flash for perfect smoothies, milkshakes, soups, hummus, and more. Easy speed control. Customize or adjust your speed quickly and easily by just pressing and releasing the button. Low, high, or turbo. Easily adjust from low to high speeds or use the turbo function for maximum power. 3-in-1 design. With convenient attachments for whisking, frothing, and blending, switching between tasks is quick and seamless. Protective blade guard. Blend in cookware or any delicate container without scratching or damaging. Dome-shaped base. Bell-shaped base reduces suction and splashing, so you can blend faster without making a mess. Slip-resistant handle. The one-handed ergonomic operation gives you a secure grip and total control as you blend. Simple cleanup. Immerse blades of each attachment in water when you're through and run on low speed to clean. Attachments are also dishwasher safe for even easier cleaning. The perfect blend. Get your desired texture every time, from smooth morning juices and coffees to thick sauces, guacamole, and more. Reveuse Immersion Blender Handheld. 3-in-1, 300-watt, 2 speeds, multi-purpose with whisk, mixing beaker, food chopper, grinder attachment. Powerful and quiet. 300 watts powerful handheld immersion blender sticker with high-quality pure copper motor blends ingredients quietly to perfection. Practical attachments. Includes immersion hand sticker, 27-aughts chop bowl, 27-aughts measuring mixing beaker, egg whisker accessories. 3-in-1. Save money, space, and effort. Quick and versatile. Comfort grip handle features with 2 speeds, push-button control for continuous or pulse action. Great for blending, mixing, chopping, whisking, egg beating, puree baby food. Easy to assemble. This hand mixer is detachable. You can switch it to be a handheld blender, handheld chopper, or handheld whisker by snap-on, snap-off during use. Clean up and safe to use. The parts are easy clean. Simply rinse with warm tap water. Compact. Size, convenient to store, suitable for small kitchen. Overcurrent protection also ensures safety during use. Customer ratings by feature. KitchenAid KHB 561CU 5-speed hand blender contour silver. Removable 8-inch blending arm locks into the motor body for easy operation when blending in deeper pots. The industry's first interchangeable bell blade assemblies offer limitless versatility for any culinary task. 3 interchangeable bell blade assemblies allow you to easily crush ice, puree soup, froth milk, and so much more. The whisk attachment can be used to quickly whip egg whites to fluffy peaks and cream, or emulsify vinaigrettes and mayonnaise. Top rack dishwasher safe. 2.5 cup BPA free chopper attachment with lid locks is ideal for chopping herbs, nuts, cheese, cooked meat, and more, right in the convenient chopper bowl. 1 liter BPA-free blending pitcher is the perfect container to use when blending double batches of smoothies or baby food. The pitcher features a convenient handle and no-splash lid. Top rack dishwasher safe. Electrical 60Hz Bella Immersion Hand Blender. Portable mixer with whisk attachment. Electric handheld juicer. Shake, baby food and smoothie maker. Stainless steel. Red. Whip happiness into your kitchen. Make sauces, dips, puree, protein shakes, and smoothies in a flash with this powerful 2-speed immersion blender. Featuring a 250-watt motor and a 6-inch blending shaft, allowing you to blend directly into tall pots. Be safe and live healthy. Bella's portable blender and baby food processor is BPA-free, so you can enjoy your soups and juice worry-free. Plus, its durable, stainless steel, and dishwasher-safe blade system guarantees a healthy mix every time you use it. Whisk and chop with ease. Featuring a detachable whisk attachment, the high-speed hand mixer and emulsifier is perfect to make meringues, whipped cream, and batters for baking, while the chopper extension makes easy work of your vegetable cutting needs. Space-saving and convenient. Our smoothie blender is small enough to store in a drawer, so you'll always have it within reach, ready to help with your cooking chores. With an ergonomic grip design, you can say goodbye to hand cramps and hello to comfort. Colorfully yours. Available in many bright colors, Bella's cordless hand mixer is what you need to show off your unique style and personality in the kitchen. The electric whisk is also a great gift idea and a perfect addition to your wedding registry. Philip ProMix Viva Collection Hand Blender, 300-watt blending power, SpeedTouch, ProMix technology, easy and intuitive on-the-go tumbler black, HR 62791. Want more power while you blend? Just squeeze the turbo boost button. Its intuitive variable speeds let you easily increase power without switching settings. Get adventurous with our single whisk accessory. It's just what you need to make frothy whipping cream, smooth mayonnaise, perfect pancake batter, and more. Philips partnered with Stuttgart University to develop ProMix for faster and more consistent blending. Its unique, advanced technology is shaped like a triangle to deliver optimal food flow and maximum performance with best results every time. When you're cooking up a storm, you'll love how easy it is to switch accessories. They quickly attach and detach to the blending bar with one press of a button. Our powerful and durable 300-watt motor delivers all the power you need to prepare your favorite healthy and home-made meals in just minutes. Customer ratings by feature.
Please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. Click the description and link to click and buy the product.